So this is the next wee slot. I can't remember actually how long Facebook lets you, how long the video is that Facebook lets you upload, but if I run into any problems, I'll maybe put it on YouTube. I'll link them together and put them on YouTube or something. I am not very technically minded when it comes to all this video and stuff and social media, but lockdown is forcing me to learn. So again, I'm just trying to enforce that 6 shape. So that there's a little, and now this is angled back. I don't know if you can pick it up. So this piece of flesh angles back in, almost disappears around there. This one's just, I'm just not happy with that. It's just a wee bit bulky looking and it's a little too big. So I'm going to have to add on. I'm going to have to add on a wee bit there. So when you're sculpting, you are constantly assessing, are these symmetrical? Does this look right? Why does it not look right? Is it too big? Is it too small? And then you make your small corrections. Sometimes the smallest wee correction is all that it needs. Just a wee tweak. And when you're bringing it in, don't forget that muscle that comes along to the top of the, you don't want to lose that. So I'm going in underneath that muscle. I'll go in a wee bit above it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out a wee bit just here. Soften all that in. So I'm going to leave a slip on. So I'm just rolling it into a wee fine sausage. Just a wee tiny bit on. So, and it's important to keep looking at it from all the different angles. And you should have these wee tools in the, if I sent you a kit, you will have these wee tools. So I'm just looking that I have an angle that slants. That sort of angle there. That the nostril isn't straight down, that there's a slant to that nostril. So again, I'm resting my finger underneath and judging the height. And I just want that in a wee bit to make more symmetrical. Again, this wee bit of flesh, I just want to tuck that in so it disappears in round the corner. Okay, and I'm just checking for that angle, that's angled there. And so it's angled, let me see. So it's angled, it's not straight down and it's not aligned with the nose, it's angled back. And also, if you look at it from the front, it isn't parallel with the front of the nose, and it's not parallel with the side. It's on an angle. So just checking that. This will be a good place to stop, and then I will do some mouth.